This is Mr. William, the owner of real estate.
William has spent ton of money in marketing agencies, signboard advertisement, newspaper advertisement and on social media, but did not find a real customer and result is zero. He called me and told me his story, told him about my whiteboard animation videos. Whiteboard video will engage your audience, convey your message, explain your business, bring more customers, and more sales ultimately. Next day Mr. William contacted me and given his requirements. Professional voice over and HD quality. I have done the task and delivery at time. Mr. William business now growing every day. He has suggested my gig with his friends. If you want to grow your business like Mr. William, so accept my gig and place an order now. Delivery on time, 24 hours response. Eye-catch contents. Affordable price on Fiverr.